Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing amazing at your place. My name is Amrita and you are watching Amrita English Hub. In today's video, I'm going to talk about if you are a beginner and if you want to speak English. So this video help you out to what to do and what not to do and where to start, how to follow roadmap because if our roadmap is clear, so it's very easy to reach our destination. The same way, if your roadmap is not clear, it will take so much time to reach. So first you find your roadmap, where to go, what to do, and how to reach. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the same if you're a beginner and if you want to speak out loud and just you want to proficient in this language, and if you have a dream to speak English, then this video help you to start your journey. So, without further ado, let's dive deeper into this video. My name is Amrita, and you are watching Amrita English Hub. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, Amrita English Hub. So, first and foremost important aspect of learning this language is your routine. Yes, you can start describing your routine. This is a powerful and simple one. Anyone can follow. There is no need any fancy vocabularies, idiom, phrases, native expression. There is nothing need. You can start your speaking with simple tenses and some simple vocabularies. And bit by bit, you can add on as you want. You can say in simple way, I wake up early in the morning, then I take a glass of lukewarm of water, then I freshen up, then then and you can try to add. But now if I talk about a little advanced or little intermediate level, so you can describe in this way. I usually kickstart my day at 6 a.m. But on weekends, I try myself a little early to wake up. And then after I take a lukewarm of water, then I get dressed for gym, and over there I do workout. Coming back to workout, I rush into kitchen when I make breakfast. Meanwhile, make sure I listen some podcast so I can kickstart my day with positive note. Then I always count my time because I'm not a kind of person to best, just I try to make most of it. So little bit it in this way, little bit advance the structure, some idioms, some phrases, so you can add as many as things you want. But if you are a beginner, just start with simple one. Before that, in a very simple way, I wake up early in the morning, then I brush my teeth, then I take a liquid warm of water, then I go for walk, and coming back to walk, I often take breakfast, and it makes sure it's protein rich. Whatever you want to add, just keep on adding many sentences in your speaking, and try to, if you're stuck in somewhere, just go with Google and try to find it out and start speaking in a again. So this is a way. Second thing is that start describing your surrounding. I am sitting in the room and I am filming this video, right? And this room environment is quite serene and quite tranquil, and I can feel it. So you can start in this way. And I am recording this video. There is a stand, mic, and laptop, and one mirror in my table. So I daily do my mirror practice in this way. So you can describe your surrounding. Start with that. Just first step, it takes so much time, but later on things become so easy. So start taking first step from today onwards. If you are thinking and just taking action, now it's high time to focus on your action. Don't think too much. If you think, you never come out from it. So if you think, if you want to speak English, just come out from your comfort zone. Just go a little extra mile, and nothing need in this language. This language is so easy, but always need to give your attention, your time, and maintain the consistency, because consistency beats your your talent, how much talented you are. But if you're not maintaining the consistency, it fades away by the time. So always better maintain your consistency where you are, whatever you have, and which kind of person you are. Consistency always speak louder if you are. And last thing you have to do, visualization. And still I visualize some situation in my mind and I try to describe it. If your birthday is coming, my birthday is around the corner, so if my birthday is coming, so how can I describe in this way? If I want to go shopping mall, if I want to blast fun party, so how can I describe? And if my friends welcome to my home, how can I welcome them in a beautiful way? Because I'm working on my some good structure and preciseness, conciseness, intonation, pronunciation. So my main focus and agenda should be to clarify my thought, right? Because there are so many ways to express it out, your understanding and your thoughts. But people often listen the person, they express their thought beautifully. So we should learn the art of express our thought beautifully, right? If anyone can tell a story, but if you want to be a storyteller, your approach should be different and try to speak little different way, I mean to say, in a beautiful way. Use some vocabularies, idiom, phrases. It's ball is in your gut. It's up to you only where you want to improve yourself. I feel if anyone dress up, there is no need to worry about that if person is quite comfortable with dress up. But if I talk about after dressing up, if someone is eager to wear ornaments, so is it wrong? Not. It's person to person how they want to look beautiful, right? The same way it comes with English. If you're quite comfortable with speaking simple English, it's okay. But if you want to speak little different, so you have to work on it. But this video, I'll already let you know, just work on simple things and bit by bit try to enhance your things. Once go, if you go, maybe you fall down and never you try to wake, when you fall down, when you never try to pick it yourself, right? So always better take a small step, baby step, and go so far as you can, far and wide you can go when you can take a small step, right? Because this language is not a marathon, right? Slow and steady win the race. So focus on those way. So I feel this video help you out to start and kickstart your journey of speaking English, and make sure yourself you are going to start with today onwards. Thank you joining me today, and I hope